threshold. We stood on the threshold. Ooh, we stood on the threshold of paradise. I held her in my arms. Golden flames started to rise. I felt the beating of my heart as we stood on the threshold. We stood on the threshold. Ooh, we stood on the threshold. Oh, paradise. As we kissed in the night, shadows faded into the light. Then we kissed once again as we stood on the threshold. We stood on the threshold of paradise. Oh, I hoped it would never end. Paradise. Ooh, so nice.
Guys, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for sticking to the end. If you did want to learn this step by step for your own choreography, you can go ahead and check out the link below. We'll send you the breakdown. Otherwise, this is also an example of a custom choreography where we created this specifically for 2 of our customers here. So if you want to do your own song, you can go ahead and follow the link below, see our package options, and see if it's right for you. Thanks so much. We'll see you very soon in the next one, guys.